In a world full of hustle culture, what if I told you there are lazy ways to make money online? Today, I'll show you 7 ways to earn passive income without investing a single dollar. Some of these require minimal effort, while others let you earn by literally doing nothing. Let's start. Method 1. Sell AI-generated images on Wirestock.io. Wirestock.io lets you sell photos, videos, and AI-generated art. Use free AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create and upload content. Enter challenges for a chance to win extra cash. Just upload, sit back, and earn. Method 2. Get paid to watch YouTube videos on CashStars.com. CashStars pays you to watch videos, play games, and write posts. You need to join a priority waitlist, which may take 1 to 2 months. Once accepted, you can earn money for simply watching content. Method 3. High-ticket YouTube automation. Traditional faceless YouTube channels rely on ad revenue. High-ticket automation focuses on high CPM niches and premium products, allowing you to earn more with fewer views. This method takes effort up front, but offers high passive returns. Method 4. AI-generated movie recaps for YouTube. Use Pika Labs to generate AI-created stock footage. Write or generate scripts with ChatGPT and use 11 Labs for voiceovers. Combine clips, add narration, and upload to monetize your content. Method 5. YouTube-related jobs on ytjobs.co. Find jobs like video editing, script writing, and voiceovers. Many simple tasks can be automated using AI tools like ChatGPT. Some jobs pay thousands of dollars, even for part-time work. Method 6. AI music creation with Mubear.com. Generate AI-composed music with a single prompt. Sell custom tracks on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to clients. It's an easy, low-effort way to make money passively. Method 7. Earn from passive income apps. Use multiple apps together for maximum earnings. SMS, Cashback, and McMoney. Get paid for receiving texts. Repocket, Honeygain, ProxyRack, Simplify, Network. Share your internet data for cash. Mobile gaming apps. Earn money and gift cards by playing games. These don't pay a lot individually, but stacking multiple apps can create a decent side income. Final thoughts. While all these methods work, Wirestock.io is the clear winner. You can earn hundreds per image with minimal effort. Sign up, start uploading, and let me know in the comments how much you make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss any new money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.